Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. A blog is an online platform or website where individuals or organizations share their thoughts, opinions, expertise, or information on various topics. It is a type of regularly updated online journal or informational site that typically displays content in reverse chronological order, with the most recent posts appearing first. Blogs can cover a wide range of subjects, including personal experiences, hobbies, travel, food, fashion, technology, business, health, and more. They allow individuals or businesses to express themselves, share their knowledge, engage with readers, and build an online community around their content. Blog posts are usually written in an informal and conversational style, making them more accessible and relatable to readers. They often include text, images, videos, and other media to enhance the content and engage the audience. Blogs offer several benefits, including 1. Self-expression. Blogs provide a platform for individuals to express their thoughts, opinions, and creativity on specific topics that interest them. 2. Knowledge sharing. Bloggers can share their expertise and knowledge with others, providing valuable information, tips, and insights on various subjects. 3. Community building. Blogs allow bloggers to connect with like-minded individuals, build a community of followers, and engage in discussions through comments and social media interactions. 4. Branding and visibility. Blogs can serve as a personal or business branding tool, helping individuals or organizations establish their online presence, showcase their expertise, and gain visibility in their respective fields. 5. Monetization opportunities. Some bloggers are able to monetize their blogs through various means, such as advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, selling digital or physical products, or offering services like consulting or coaching. Starting a blog typically involves selecting a blogging platform, choosing a domain name, designing the website, and regularly creating and publishing content. Bloggers often engage with their audience through comments, social media, and newsletters to foster community engagement and growth. It's important to note that blogging requires consistent effort, quality content creation, and engagement with your audience to build a successful and sustainable blog. Chat GPT is a valuable tool for bloggers. Chat GPT can be a valuable tool for bloggers in several ways. Here's how you can leverage Chat GPT to enhance your blogging efforts. 1. Content generation. Use Chat GPT to generate content ideas and overcome writer's block. You can provide Chat GPT with a prompt or topic, and it can generate suggestions or insights that can serve as inspiration for your blog posts. 2. Writing assistance. When drafting your blog posts, you can use Chat GPT to get suggestions for improving sentence structure, grammar, or word choice. It can provide alternative phrasings or help you refine your writing to make it more engaging and cohesive. 3. Research and fact-checking. Chat GPT can assist you in researching information for your blog posts. You can ask it questions or use it to find relevant sources or statistics to support your content. Additionally, it can help fact-check information before publishing to ensure accuracy. 4. Topic expansion and deep dives. If you have a blog post that you want to expand upon or dive deeper into a specific aspect, Chat GPT can help you explore related subtopics, provide additional insights, or suggest different perspectives to enrich your content. 5. Audience engagement. You can incorporate Chat GPT into your blog by utilizing it as a chatbot or virtual assistant. This can enable interactive elements on your blog, where readers can engage in conversations, ask questions, or receive personalized responses. 6. Content promotion. Chat GPT can help you generate ideas and strategies for promoting your blog posts. You can ask for suggestions on social media engagement, outreach techniques, or creative ways to attract more readers to your blog. Remember to use Chat GPT as a tool to support your blogging efforts rather than relying solely on generated content. It's important to maintain your unique voice and perspective as a blogger while utilizing Chat GPT's assistance in enhancing your writing and research process. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.